I tell you, famous Penang OO White Coffee new special shop. Today I bring you to this special collaboration, OO White Coffee and TBF. Located in Bandar Puteri. Love the vibe of this place. It's chill and can play some games. Come here, of course, must order their signature coffee. It's cow and got kick. With OO White Coffee, of course, must order Penang food lah. Starting off, it smells so good when this is served. Wow, this got Penang standard. Yeteng o heavy and pang. Char kway teow is next. Fresh siham. Got smell of wok hei eh. Get a charred flavour, it's a bit dry with wok hei. I like pas. Penang curry mee here served with pork blood. Served with fish and prawns. Soup base is fragrant and lighter in taste. Magic is chili paste must add in. Penang we got Atui miso. Here they have the herbal soup miso. Duck sold out pork ribs is good. They also have Penang fried jawa mee. Slightly on the sweeter side, worth to give it a try. Original is happy hour. Finish our round 1 meal. Drink to satisfactory Penang food. With ice cold beer. Wow. Next order hatching. After see next table in until so siok. Fried the chili sauce. From the look, it actually tastes much better. Light cream on edges, center soft like chewy. They have polo pao ngam with ham cha. Smooth, fresh and good. Later in the evening we had loba. And their keropok or happia must pair with beer. Dog food is addictive. End the night with their Super Wing series. One Penang food and happy hour, this is the best place to be.